Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will do one more interesting and requested topic is how to do black fabric illustration. Also, you can check out the previous video where I have shown the rendering of the face in detail. So yes, I will be providing the link in the description box or you can click on this I button. So here I am doing the skin with Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils. First I've used that creamish ivory kind of shade and I'm giving a watercolory effect to it to create the base. Also I'm doing the coloring on the hand portion, that is the sleeves portion, because here I will show you how we can do any type of net fabric like a sheer fabric where the fabric is very transparent or translucent type. It can be either net fabric or lace fabric where the skin would be visible little bit, and for that we can keep the base ready using any medium like pencil colors or alcohol based markers. So I'm using here pencil colors only, I mean the watercolor pencils. I will give it a watercolor effect itself, and after the base is completely dry I will do the second layer with the brown shade. So guys, these two pencil colors I've already used in the face rendering video, so you can go and check out the video actually, because I've shown the nice blending technique using these two very useful colors, and these are common colors also available in the pack of the Staedtler, starting from the 12 shade pack to the 48 shade pack. So yeah, this is also very common among the illustrators, and I hope that the video will also be very useful to you for doing the blending of the face. So I have given the base color and I will let it dry completely. After that I will take the brown pencil and do some more shading and little bit rendering on the skin. So guys, coming to the black fabric look, there are so many approaches and mediums to try and show that nice shading with the black color, but today I will focus on watercolors, and two interesting shades we can take, obviously the black, and along with the black we can also take little bit of white because we will make a gray shade. Now gray will be like a helping color which will help us to show the highlights in a black fabric, mostly if the fabric is something on a shiny or smooth type. So firstly I'm going with the net fabric. Here I'm using just the black color, and I'm diluting the color very well. You have to dilute your black very well because black is anyway a very strong color, it's very rich in pigments, so you have to use water to dilute it nicely and then use it on the base. While working on the net fabric or a diluted portion guys, wherever you want to spread the wash color, just try to use any bulky brush or like a thick brush which is easy to spread the color well. If you are using a very detailing brush kind of thing or like a very stiff brush, it will give you some patches and might give a rough look. So your paper should be watercolor based, and even the brushes color, so everything has to be proper so that your illustration turns out to be better. Otherwise this few things might make the illustration patchy. So here you can see I've given the base and let the base dry, and now you can take your color and layer it up to give that little folds, little crease lines which appears in your net fabric or lace fabric, the side folds. So you can keep on applying the layers, and once it dries you can see I'm going with the brown pencil and giving some colors especially to show the little darkness you can say on the skin. So because of the black net fabric the skin might appear a little dark, so you can keep on increasing the color and bring some changes until you see that it's giving you that proper look of the net fabric. Lastly I'm using the sharp black pencil to give the final folds and giving a finished look kind of outline thing, so that even if your colors are kind of like little bleeding out of the line, you can give a proper finish using the black pencil. Also, I will be providing the list and the links of all the materials which I've used in this tutorial in the description box, guys. You can go and check out the box for all the links, and also check out the previous videos and the playlist as well. Hence, I'm mixing the black and the white now, guys, to make this gray shade. You can increase and decrease the proportion of the black and the gray as per your requirement, that what color you want the gray in, like the gray should have more of the black or more of the white. But here I have taken the color mostly in equal proportion, but the amount of black was little more to the color, so it has created a nice charcoal kind of blackish grayish kind of color. So this I will do on the base. And also, guys, I feel that when we use the white, it makes the color quite creamy, and it also absorbs the top color which you put over the white. So this way we can blend the nice color between the black and the gray. So for blending, you can see I'm taking a little color of the black and putting it over the gray, and slightly pushing it towards the center where I want that nice gradation. And you can dab your brush over the tissue paper, and take that dry brush again, and just blend it. So your brush is the tool here. You can also take little water on your brush and use that little water to blend between the gray and the black. So here you have the total freedom. There is nothing like a very particular technique, and the blending was quite easy actually. When I was trying to blend it, it was quite easy because the gray color was kind of very creamy, and when I was putting the black over it, it was just gliding over the color, and it was not giving me much difficulty to blend. So I found this color to be like more blendable than the other watercolors which I've tried. So you guys also try this out and let me know in the comment box that what you feel when you mix any white color, I mean the white color, to any other color, and making the a tint of that color. So here, guys, we have used the white as a base, and you can see when I put the black over it, it just turns the color into a very nice gradation. And also I will tell you very specifically that try to use a flat brush or a filbert brush. The brush which I'm using here is a filbert brush. Now this brush, I found it to be very helpful in giving longer strokes and covering up larger areas. Also, guys, see how you can hold the brush. Either you can lay it flat, or you can use it in a vertical manner where you can give this kind of smaller fold lines, like I mean the thinner fold line. So here I will give this black color in each of the fold, and you can keep on layering your black color. Like here the color will be absorbed and it will just turn into bit grayish color, and after that you can keep on increasing the amount of black that is with each layer. Now this technique specifically applies for shiny fabrics, like any silk based fabrics, or any satin based fabrics which has a nice shiny look to it. So there you can use the gray medium to show a shine on the black fabric. Hence I will continue this method, and you can change your brush, guys. If you want to give more thinner folds, you can change your brush anytime, but try to use a smoother brush which is comfortable to give strokes, otherwise it might turn patchy. And here you can see after all the layers have like completely settled down, you can finally understand the shade, that what is the intensity of the black shade. So if you want to increase the amount of black, you just let it dry and keep on layering your colors. So here is the importance of watercolor papers, which are very good for layering your colors. And you can keep on layering your colors, let it dry, and then you can keep on adding colors how much you want. And using a good quality paper is obviously very important when you want to do a very good presentation of your illustrations. And therefore, if you are a beginner and you want to understand papers, so go and check out my videos, and I will be posting the link in the description box on papers and also on the art mediums which I use. and there is specially a playlist dedicated to the art supplies for beginners and the paper mediums, reviewing other products like markers, brush pens. So you can go and check out all the products and you can invest in your proper mediums. Accordingly, I'm making the lace pattern now with a fine detailing brush. Now guys, whenever you want to do any specific details, always consider using a detail brush which are specifically made for details. So here I'm using the detailing brush for doing the lace pattern. I'm just randomly doodling little flowers and vines. You can also use any type of marker or some detailing pen like microns or pit pens, whichever you prefer using. But here I'm just going with the watercolor, that is the black shade, and with the black shade I'm also giving some more darker depth, especially in the corners of the sleeves, to show a nice gradation effect on the net fabric, which is more darker on the corners. So you guys do let me know in the comment box below that how you enjoyed this tutorial, and do try this out. It's actually very easy approach to show your black fabric shine and folds, and I shall be making more such black fabric series and other type of look, or maybe some sequence effect or velvet effect with the black fabric. And also there were some recommendations regarding white fabric, golden fabric, that will be also very soon on my channel. So consider subscribing if you are watching for the first time, and also do press the bell icon to stay notified for my upcoming uploads. And do let me know how you enjoyed the tutorial, the full illustration look. I shall see you all very soon in the upcoming uploads. Till then, keep illustrating, and do share your artworks with me. You can tag me on my Instagram using the hashtag artstudio by Shrabani. Till then, take care. Bye bye.